Really? Another unboxing video? Already? Man, I didn't realize Jacob went and bought this much stuff all at once. Well, you guys are going to have plenty of unboxing videos to look forward to, I guess. Or actually, this might be the last one for this batch. I don't know. I really don't know how many more items our creator actually bought. But, yeah, I guess we're doing another one of these. So, does anyone remember this guy? I unboxed this guy over a year ago. My very first unboxing video was the Plarail Streamline Thomas. And, apparently only this year, only now, did Jacob decide to do a sequel to that unboxing video. He bought another Great Race engine. It's the Shooting Star Gordon. Yeah, I think most people probably could guess this was inevitable. But, yeah, our creator is that much of a sellout that he decided to get the Shooting Star Gordon to go with the Streamline Thomas that he bought. Let me just turn off the camera so I can get the camera set up a little bit better. Alright, and one more adjustment, and there we go. Yeah, we actually have a camera stand now, so we don't have to put the camera down to unbox this anymore. I don't know why Jacob hasn't been using the camera stand all along. That's one of the benefits of filming this on the layout table this time, is that we can actually use the camera stand so we can see the product. There we go. Got the instructions. As per usual, though, just crumple them up and throw them away. I'll pick them up. I'm not a slob. Literally cut to the floor of this room. I'm not a slob. Cut to the floor of this room. But anyway, so here's Shooting Star Gordon. I'm not sure what my upload. I'm not really sure what my upload schedule is gonna look like for the next few months. But as of the time you're seeing this, I might actually be in the process of moving away, moving out of this house. Like, this is like, to give you like some level of how far ahead I'm having to plan for this. It is currently August. It's still currently August as of the time I'm recording this. So you're probably seeing this sometime. I've had so many videos like already preset to already pre-recorded and uploaded that I'm literally like, I think I've literally almost filled up all of September just with uploads done this month. Yeah, I'm really far ahead in terms of schedule. So you can expect, I really want to get as many videos done as possible before I move, so that you guys aren't waiting like freaking 2 months for a new video. So here's the guy. Let's talk about him. So here's Shooting Star Gordon. I think this might be a controversial opinion, but I think Shooting Star Gordon actually looks really good. Like, I'm not specifically the toy, but I think his design actually looks pretty good. Like, if Gordon did get streamlined, this is exactly what I would envision. Because I actually have my base Gordon right here. Like, I could see this being turned into this. Now, I know this is an American design, but honestly, does it look like I care? I really don't. I really don't care. about British engines being given American streamlining designs. I really don't. And honestly, I think half the people watching this video don't even know what that means. Like, half the people watching this video probably didn't even know Thomas was British. But he is. So, anyway, getting back to the engine, I think this is pretty good. One thing that I do know about this engine is that just like the Streamline Thomas, who is over here, Shooting Star Gordon does also have the 3-speed controls, so you can run this guy super fast. I'm totally gonna do have these two racing to get right next to you, right behind you, one behind the other. Have one behind the other going super fast. That would be really fun. Here's the tender. I think it looks really nice. Again, no painted buffers, but aside from that, I really like the look of this tender. Looks really good. So, yeah, I can't wait to get this guy running. And I don't recall him ever having a coach in the Great Race, but he has one here, and I think it looks pretty nice. It's basically your standard express coach painted in blue. I don't actually have any express coaches. This is the only one I have. Unless you count the one that came with Spencer as an express coach, but I don't count the one that came with Spencer as an express coach. Speaking of which, I need to buy some more. I need to buy some express coaches. Because if y'all remember these crappy custom ones, I've decided these are going to end up being the season 1 old coaches from Thomas, and I'll just get actual express coaches because I don't really want those to be seen anymore. Those customs are really crappy. So yeah, let me get batteries into this guy, and we'll get him running. Transition shot. Oh. Do you like that? Well, now he's all powered up. He has this is his super fast speed. So let's just jump right into this and get them going at super fast speed. So go on, Gordon. Run around the layout. And Thomas, follow him. I don't know if it's apparent to anyone else, but it seems like Gordon is going a bit slower than Thomas. Yeah, they bumped into each other. Yeah, Thomas is definitely faster. Uh-oh. I genuinely don't think he's set to high speed. Because he's not going that fast. Like, look, Diesel 10 can keep up with him. Maybe I need to get maybe if I get a fresher battery in him, he'll probably work better. But for now, this is all you can get, I guess. Just did this for kicks and giggles. I guess Philip can finally say he beat Shooting Star in a race. Oh. I think he may have crashed, Philip. So, yeah, that's basically all I have to say about the Shooting Star Gordon. It's alright. I like it. I'm ashamed to say I bought it off eBay, but, yeah. I think you can still find it on Amazon, but it goes in and out all the time. So, I opted to just buy it via eBay. It arrived just like a couple hours ago as the time recording this, and I just had to record it so I could get another video up, and yeah. Considering that in the last video I did, I just kept yapping on and on and on about the products I was talking about, the 80th anniversary engines. Considering I don't want to just turn this into a yapathon like it was last time, I'm just going to sum it up with I like the product and ask another comment question. So, comment question. Which of the two Streamline models that I own, Thomas and Gordon, which one do you like more? And would you like to see more of these two engines in the series? Now, obviously, I've established that Streamline Thomas is a separate entity from regular Thomas. So, Shooting Star Gordon is definitely a separate entity to this Gordon in the series. But would you like to see more of them? Because I would like to do stuff with them in the future, and I actually have a whole special in mind where these two could potentially have a lot to do. But not wanting to yap, let's just wrap up the video. So thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Poop, poop. Get out of the way, little Philip. Express coming through. Frick you, Gordon.